Are you serious? Are you serious? Folks, tornadoes, flooding, snow, blizzards, ice, semis flipping, trees uprooting, flash flood waters flowing, tornadoes tearing up Texas, and 24 people are dead since Saturday night, and 18 2 days before that in the tornadoes outbreak that hit Mississippi, Arkansas, and Tennessee. And I'm going to tell you what's going on as far as 11 people dead in Texas and Dallas from the tornadoes. But since that, 13 more have died from flash flooding all the way to Illinois. And there is an absolute wicked wind blowing out there, howling like a monster. About 35, 40-mile-an-hour wind right outside my door with rain driving. It is not fit for man or beast, and we don't have any snow or ice. But it's 34 degrees here. If that thing freezes, lock it, shut it down. It's over, okay? It's over. And that's what's happening in some parts of the country right now. New Mexico, Texas, and on up into Oklahoma is a disaster. But before I tell you about all the flash flooding, which is probably going to be the greatest destructive force of this entire thing, let me tell you what the Bible says about what happens if a nation or if a people sow to the wind. Hosea said it this way in Hosea chapter 8, verse 7. For they have sown the wind, they shall reap the whirlwind. It hath no stalk, the bud shall yield no meal, and if so be it yield, the strangers shall swallow it up. This is the penalty for apostasy, according to the prophet Hosea, as he preached to the nation of Israel, as they had walked disorderly away from the laws of God. And they continued to walk in this apostasy that God then said, okay, since you're sowing your prayers to the wind, you will reap the whirlwind. I worry about America facing the same thing. And it's not just us. South America is under literally torrential flooding. And the United Kingdom is under massive flash flooding that is sweeping through Yorkshire, Lancashire, Manchester, and other parts of northern England. It's just insane what's going on right now. Let me give you an update of what's taking place. Why? First of all, there were outbreaks of tornadoes that killed 18 people between the three states of Mississippi, Arkansas, and Tennessee. But then Saturday night, we had a tornado outbreak in Dallas, Texas, that left many dead. Matter of fact, Texas tornadoes, Midwest flooding leaves at least 24 people dead this morning. Tornadoes have moved through Dallas, Metroplex Saturday night, killing 11 people. And at least 24 people have been killed after tornadoes barreled through Texas. The heavy rain has inundated the entire Midwest. Matter of fact, in the Dallas area, it was ravaged by 9 tornadoes, killing 11 people Saturday night. Five people then were killed in a flash flood in Illinois yesterday, and 8 people have died, have been confirmed death in flash flooding in Missouri. So we have 11 people killed in Texas from the tornadoes, 5 killed from flash flooding in Illinois, and 8 killed from flash flooding in Missouri. 24 deaths since Saturday night, and 18 deaths since Christmas Eve in the Mississippi, Arkansas, Tennessee tornado outbreak. And now we have to deal with Goliath. Goliath is absolutely a monster that has literally from Albuquerque, New Mexico to Amarillo, Texas. 2 to 3 feet of snow is falling. There's winds of 60 miles an hour. There is a blizzard. It's literally blizzard conditions. Semi-trucks over being just blown over, jackknifing, sleet, and chaos everywhere from this horrific storm called Goliath. And so we have right now apocalyptic type weather conditions in America from New Mexico to Illinois and now Indiana. Wisconsin, get ready for some brutal snow and ice. Chicago, which is just north of us, look out. It's going to get dangerous here in just a couple hours as the ice will fall. I can tell you right now, it's 34 degrees here, and it's raining like cats and dogs, and the wind's blowing about 40 miles an hour. If the temperatures dip down another 2 to 3 degrees, we will experience literally an ice rink, because the water, the ground is saturated. The water's setting on top of the ground. It's everywhere. The rain is coming down, and it's over. We may dodge a bullet here in Indiana, or at least in this portion of Indiana. But north of us, Michigan, Wisconsin, Minnesota, northern Illinois, northern Indiana, I can't help you. It could actually be a skating rink up there. And then the Northeast, it's coming your way. Goliath will not stop just here as it works its way to the Northeast. So this is the quick weather report of what's going on. It's obviously very apocalyptic. So stay in, stay warm, stay safe, and keep looking up, for Jesus Christ is coming soon, and your redemption is drawing nigh.